guys, and welcome. Today's video we are doing a multi-subscription unboxing. We are going to start off with the Chic Beauty Box, which is a bi-monthly subscription. You guys, again, I'm loving a bi-monthly subscription. And then we are going to jump right into the Valentine's Day GlossyBox skincare set that you can pick up. I have, I believe, coupon codes for both of these down below for you guys. If you guys are interested in my cutesy cozy sweater, this is by RWPP Boutique. I will have that listed down below for you guys as well. My lipstick is by NARS. I'll talk about that. Actually, I'll list it down below for you guys. It's in the shade Get Up, Stand Up, and all other makeup will be listed for you guys. Anyways, guys, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. I'm loving the bell sleeves. Anyways, guys, over here we love to unbox makeup, play in makeup, talk about makeup, try on makeup, and remember, y'all, it's just makeup. It washes off. It's truly, really, honestly, not that serious. Let's go ahead and just jump right in. Now, before I open this up, let me tell you a little bit about the Chic Beauty Box. Now, this is a bi-monthly subscription, which I love bi-monthly subscriptions because you don't feel overwhelmed. I feel like if you get every single month, like all the different subscriptions, yeah, I totally get it. A lot of you guys say in the comment section, I would get overwhelmed. So I love the fact that we are seeing more and more subscriptions come out with the bi-monthly option. A little information as far as how much this costs. It is $34.99, and you will receive 5 to 6 full-size makeup products every other month.
Does this look?
Okay, sorry, mom life. I had a little one bebop on in. Anywho, as far as the cost, it is $34.99, and you do get to customize. They will send you out like a surveys, multiple choice for your options. Now, this was sent to me complimentary, so I did not get to make any choices. They chose for me, and I'm pretty excited because some of the sneak peek spoilers we have been seeing, oh my goodness. So right away when we open it up, we do have a little card in here. Sorry, I saw some stuff and I'm like, okay, anywho. So there is apparently 3 different variations for this box. This is the January-February box. So if you are interested in signing up for this box, this is potentially what you will receive. There is, like I said, 3 different variations. They do tell you what could be in each variation, as well as the retail value and the final total price. So let's go ahead and jump right into the first item that I see here. Okay. I have to talk about this. So these are by Eylure. This is the Vegas Nay Grand Glamour Adhesive Included lashes. Now this is what they look like up close. They are really full and they're absolutely gorgeous. They're stunning. But if you guys don't know, your girl has like the huge struggle bus issues when it comes to applying lashes. On top of that, I have like a sensory overload. I can't handle like majority of strip lashes. On top of that, I have hooded eyes, slightly hooded eyes. So I tend to look like I have caterpillars and then I'm doing this thing when I have lashes on. What I have found that works the best for me is snipping parts of the lashes, which is good in the long run because I get a ton of use out of them. But I snip them and then I only apply them to the outer portion of my eye when I do like a dramatic look. So just because you receive these and maybe they're not for you, don't be afraid to just chop them and make them work for you. They do have a retail value of $8.88. Next, this is what I saw in here and I was pretty excited about it. This is by NARS and it looks like it is a dual intensity blush. So let's go ahead and open her up. It does say the shade, oh, Jubilation? Don't know if I said that right because you know me. Pronunciation, enunciation, not my forte. Oh my gosh, it's a highlighter duo. It is gorgeous. We're gonna swatch. So pretty. So you've got more of like this goldish tone and more of like a bronzy champagne-esque. I don't know if that shows up. Let's see here. Hopefully my camera doesn't completely drown it out, but you guys, that's so pretty. So pretty. And again, these would be really pretty on the eyes. This would be great on the shoulders, shoulder blade. Like, that is really pretty. And as far as across the board, it looks like there is at least a NARS product in 2 out of the 3 variations. This has a retail value, y'all, of $59. Again, $34.99 bi-monthly. Love that. Okay, so the next item I see in here is by NYX. This is the NYX or NYX Lush Lashes Mascara. This is something that everybody across the board will be receiving. So this is a voluptuous mascara. Now I literally just opened a mascara, so I'm not going to open this one. I'm going to set it off to the side because literally just opened a mascara. So moving on to the next item is by Bare Minerals. This is a Gen Nude Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Boss. Okay, I don't know what this shade's gonna look like, but I feel like when you say Boss, I think like this color. Bold, you know? Oh, but it's not. It's a total Rhonda color. Yay! Okay, let's open her up. Ooh, that smells good. I'm a sniffer. I am a sniffer. I don't know why, but I do. Perfect. Love this. Should have known it said Gen Nude. Like, hi girl. Okay, so this is a bit darker of a nude shade, but it is perfect. This is so me. This is definitely a me color. I can get down with it. Love that. Dries down pretty. I love a yummy vanilla cupcakey scent. It makes my heart so happy. Ooh. Hold on, I gotta wipe this off or I'll have it all over myself. Okay, so little information about this. This does say it's the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Matte Lipstick, retail value $20. Okay, moving into the last item. Oh, okay. I'm gonna open this because I'm not gonna swatch it. I do have this somewhere in my collection. Definitely somewhere in my collection. I don't know off the top of my head where. Or else I would pull it out and swatch it. So this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 palette. Let me open it up. I'm going to show you guys, but like I said, I won't swatch this one. This will be put into a giveaway. Actually, I think I had a couple of these, and I gave my mom one, if memory serves me correctly. Yeah, this is a really pretty, like, neutral palette. Really pretty palette. Everyday type of look. I like to use these darker shades as like around my lash line to make a liner, but it's a really pretty. I actually used to use this particular palette a lot when I worked in the corporate world because it was one of those easy, you don't have to think too much type of dealio. So a little information about this palette. This does have a retail value of $36, and overall, my thoughts on this box. For $34.99, do I feel like you get your money's worth for it? Yes. And again, like I told you guys, you get to customize parts of this box. Actually, a large majority, if memory serves me correctly, but we don't always listen to my memory because, as we know, thyroid life, brain fog, it's real. But for me, I like this box. I really enjoy it. I like that it gives us a nice array of different products in here. It's definitely one of those subscription boxes where it's definitely a makeup heavy box, and I'm all about that. I mean, you guys know your girl absolutely loves makeup. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below as far as the subscription box goes. What are you most excited about? If you're interested in signing up for the Chic Beauty Box, I will make sure to leave my link down below for you guys. It's not an affiliate. It's just a way that you can sign up. If there is a coupon code or anything like that that will save you money off your first box, I will definitely make sure to note that down below for you guys. As far as the retail value of the variations in this box, you would receive anywhere from $115.87 to $145.76, depending on the variation. So again, again, $34.99 bi-monthly. I definitely think you do get your money's worth. I love the fact that it is definitely a makeup heavy box for this one, and I love the fact that you do get to customize. So and it's multiple choice. So let me know down below if you guys have signed up for the Chic Beauty Box. What is your thoughts on it? Do you enjoy it as much as I do? Definitely make sure to follow me over on Instagram, because I will be creating a look using some of the things in this subscription. Plus, make sure you are subscribed over here, because I do like to do like a monthly video of all the different, or some of the different items that I received in subscription boxes. Okay, so speaking of subscription boxes, let's go ahead and move over to our GlossyBox unboxing. Now, this is a Valentine's edition, special edition box. Okay, so a little information about the GlossyBox Valentine's Day skincare box. It says treat yourself or a loved one to one of our I Heart GlossyBox skincare box sets this Valentine's Day. The box contains 4 of our favorite GlossyBox skincare products worth $102. Get yours today for just $28.50 for subscribers, or $38 for non-subscribers. So that's nice. Even if you don't want to sign up for the monthly subscription for GlossyBox, you still have the opportunity to go ahead and purchase this. I'm pretty sure they sent over a coupon code, non-affiliate code down below for you guys. I will have it listed along with the Chic Beauty Box. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. So it's in your standard pink GlossyBox, regiftable box, by the way. When we jump inside, it is packaged so cute, just like the standard glossy boxes. Okay, this is cool. I haven't tried out the GlossyBox skincare line just yet. I think I saw it, I think I did receive it in some of the advent calendars, but I haven't. I've got backup to try. I constantly try and rotate my skincare to try out things. So the first one that I see here is the GlossyBox Skincare Deep Cleansing Cream. So all of these products look to be full size, guys, and I love the fact they're pink. So there is that. Moving on to the next item in here. This is the 3-in-1 moisturizer. It plumps, primes, and protects. And again, it is a full size product. I love pink. If you guys don't know, pink is your girl's favorite color. Like, I love it. There is actually instructions in here as well that gives you more information about each of the products too. So I like that. Moving on to the next item in here, it looks like we have some night serum. It deeply nourishes and brightens overnight. Again, full size. And it's in your nice little pink squeezy tube. And then the last item that you will receive in the box is the Eye Boost Cream. And I personally, for me especially, I got a little too much retinol up underneath my eyes on accident last night. So if you guys are seeing a little crusty dusty under eyes, well, mind your business. So when I see eye creams, I get really excited, especially when I put a little too much retinol underneath on accident. So always happy to see eye creams in there. I know some people are just not about eye creams, and that's cool. Like, it's not everybody's forte. Like, you find a skincare routine that works for you, but for me, yes, I love under eye creams. So that is everything in the limited edition or special edition Valentine's glossy box for Valentine's Day. Like I said, I'll have a link down below for you guys. GlossyBox was kind enough to send this over my way to unbox for you guys. And like I said, the Chic Beauty Box, I love the fact it's bi-monthly. I love that you get to customize it. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below, and if you are interested in signing up, definitely check my description box. I will also have my sweater linked below. Anywho, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to stick around, subscribe, give your girl a big thumbs up. Definitely make sure to check me out on my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. I'm going to pop a QR code up that my husband was kind enough to make for me. If you guys would click that with your phone, turn your camera on, snap a picture, it's going to take you right over to my Instagram. You know your girl is trying to get that 10K swipey uppy like it's no one's business, because it's going to make your life and my life much easier when I link videos for you guys. So if you would, take a picture of the QR code. I would greatly appreciate it. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.